Startup Podcast PH is co-produced by Sprout Solutions, Aperon, Tuala, Simf, Secuna, Red Circle Global, Maroon Studios, and Aim High. Check out our partners in the description. Welcome sa Startup Podcast PH, inspiring more Filipino entrepreneurs and innovators. Live tayo ngayon dito sa Adventures Innovation Center in Ateneo de Davao University, Davao City, to interview their startup incubatees. We have Hypercoat Industries, specialized in automotive car care. And we have the co-founder, Adi Dorado. Hello, Adi. Kamusta?
Hi, hello po. Okay lang po.
Kamusta? Magandang tanghali. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon din, sir.
Ayan, kakarating ko lang sa Davao kahapon and I'm very excited to interview the startups here. So, thank you, Miss Nesh and sa Adventures Innovation Center for accommodating Startup Podcast PH. And ayun, wag natin patagalin pa, Miss Adi. So, ano nga ba ang Hypercoat Industries?
So, Hypercoat Industries, sir, is more on caring about sasakyan. PPF, ceramic coating, meron din tayong car wash, tint for windows sa car. And then, looking forward, we're planning to have more about sa automotive. But mainly, about siya sa pag-care ng isang
Sa
sasakyan.
pag-care ng isang car.
Yes.
Siguro doon muna tayo sa pag-care ng isang car. Why do we need to take care of our cars?
So tayo if mag-invest naman tayo sa isang sasakyan, syempre milyon or more than or less than milyon yung mga sasakyan natin. So kailangan din kung mag-invest naman din tayo, invest na lang din tayo ng magandang pag-alaga, 'di ba?
So tsaka baka somehow when you buy a car and you don't take care of it, baka mas magiging mahal pa yung expenses mo in the long run. So better if like ma-maintain mo yung itsura niya and yung... So is this all about, when you talk about car care, is this just the aesthetics or even like yung performance ng car, yung makina, whatever?
Sa Hypercoat, sir, ngayon is more on pag-protect ng outer.
Okay.
So
okay.
hindi siya parang more on sa makina, hindi pa. Siguro soon. Pero ngayon is parang more on about sa paint, sa pag-protect ng paint, sa for example, acid rain. So, pag mag-acid rain ba, syempre, tayo mababother tayo, di ba? So, pag mabother tayo, yan yung parang care namin. Yes, parang to help you out na ma-less yung worry mo.
Yes.
Ganon.
So, actually, protection siya from bad things in the environment. Kasi when you don't do that care, baka nga, pa siya, kumbaga more expenses in the long run kasi mas masisira agad yung coating ng car mo. So better if like gawin mo siya. Pero siguro ang question dito as a startup, because startups are like these are businesses na may innovation din
Yes.
So ano ba yung parang something new here? Kasi I think correct me if I'm wrong, wala akong car So I don't know much about car care. So ano yung parang something new dito? Ano yung parang innovation dito that you're really doing?
So now sa market is is paint protection film ang pinaka bago at innovative for car care.
PPF.
Yes,
okay, okay.
Yan yung PPF, 'di ba? Parang 'di ba sa bago siya ngayon kasi before we have ceramic coating. Pero now para kasing nabigyan ng solusyon ni PPF yung micro scratch, magkano pa rin kasi siya. Kung mag ceramic coating ka kasi pahid lang siya. So, para lang siya magtigas na liquid. Pero now is PPF, na siya plastic na siya Tapos, kung ilagay mo yan, kahit anong scratch mo sa kanya, hindi talaga siya. Hindi talaga siya. Na-try namin yan, sir, ice pick. Try namin siya na, talaga. Hindi talaga siya, sir. Kung painitan mo lang siya, na siya.
Okay.
Babalik na yung niya. Yung pagka, niya.
So itong PPF yung talagang something new that you're bringing here
Yes.
This is a new parang material technology siya
Yes,
parang
yes,
ganun.
yes.
Actually naalala ko lang if I may share some of my thoughts here. When we talk kasi about the challenge or the problem that you're solving here for car owners, you're actually helping them protect the car, no?
Yes.
Kasi lalo na sa Pilipinas, ikwento ko lang shortly dati kasi pag traffic kasi tapos naglalakad yung mga tao din, pwedeng masanggi ng mga tao yung kotse. Actually dati, share ko lang naglalakad ako, may dala akong malaking maleta, as in dala ko siya maleta ganyan. 'Di ba yung maleta parang may gulong yun pero binuhat ko na siya kasi parang pangit yung sahig, yung daan. Tas may mga may medyo traffic, tas may mga naka-park sa gilid. Hindi ko sinasadya. Yung isang naka-park na gano'n nung maleta ko, nung gulong. So, nagasgasan siya. Sakto andun yung may-ari nagalit sa'kin.
Nandun yung may-ari?
I mean, naka-park yung kotse pero andun yung may-ari, nasa So, nagalit siya. So, ako, natakot ako, 'di ba? So, naglakad lang ako dire-diretso pero sumisigaw siya, ganyan. Pero, I mean, 'di ba, those are accidents actually na it might be siguro hindi I'm trying to justify it na although error ko siya, hindi ko rin siya error kasi first of all, I think hindi nga ata parang legal na naka-double
Naka-park.
park dun yung mga kotse, gano'n 'no. So, pero I mean, hindi ko maiwasan yun na in
Oo.
this, kumbaga sa Pilipinas na medyo traffic siksikan ganyan 'no, na masanggisan ganyan. So, yeah, do you have any thoughts on that on that? I think maiwasan yung mga gano'n when we have this
Yes,
car
actually,
care.
maiwasan sir hangga't sa kung naka-PPF siya. Pero if kasi, kung ceramic kasi yung difference nila is kaya pa ni ceramic na minor scratches lang. Pero for example sir, yung maleta if is naka-scratch ng malalim.
Hindi naman malalim, hindi naman.
Maano mo kasi siya ma-solve mo pa siya with ceramic if i-spray mo siya ng water, tapos yung scratch niya is mawala.
Okay.
Oo. So, makaya pa yun siya ng buffing.
Okay.
Pero if naka-PPF yun, kahit anong scratch talaga siya sir, hindi talaga.
As in, hindi siya masa-scratch or mawawala yung scratch? Or as in, hindi siya, kahit ganunin mo, hindi siya magmamarka?
No, hindi talaga siya sir, oo. Yan yung pinakamaganda ngayon sa market is ang PPF talaga. Kaso nga lang sir, grabe siya ka-expensive compared to ceramic coating. Kasi na siya parang long lasting na siya na investment din sa car mo.
So, I'm guessing ang market here somehow ng Hypercoat with the PPF, is this coating, PPF, how do you call that? PPF coating or PPF?
PPF lang siya
PPF,
sir.
yeah.
Parang
So, somehow ba ang market na to is like mga luxury cars or like, or any naman?
sa ngayon kasi sir in Davao, parang bago pa siya. Not unlike sa Metro Manila. Grabe talaga when you hear PPF, talaga like parang yun na talaga. Dito kasi in Davao, parang bago pa siya kahit yung mga siguro matagal na for more like 1 to 2 years pa. Pero ngayon sa Davao kasi sir is bago pa lang talaga siya. So ang market ngayon, madami na kasi nag-o-offer din dito ng mga shop. Madami na, and then kami din as a startup, syempre we need to adapt, 'di ba? We need to adapt anong trend ngayon. So sa PPF ngayon sir, ang market niya is ngayon na-cater namin is mga van, LC, na hindi pa kami naka-try ng mga supercar. Pero may mga din talaga na mag-invest din talaga sila for PPF.
Siguro rin to, investment din to for yung mga nagsa-service somehow kasi mahalaga for them to have a good image of their car kasi that's also like their branding So if they protect their car, that's good for their business as well Tsaka that's actually so maraming para sa Manila pero dito sa Davao kumbaga kina-capture pa ninyo yung market here, yung potential market here
Oo. Tapos kasi sir, pag sinabi nilang PPF kasi parang mabigat siya Mabigat siya na investment for para sa amin ma-advise namin yung PPF if everyday mo ginagamit yung car. Hindi yung parang every parang ina-advise namin siya sa everyday kasi everyday bugbog yung car, 'di ba? So dapat nga i-PPF natin para mas ma-protect niya yung paint mo, ma-protect niya yung car mo.
Para sa mga araw-araw lumulusong sa traffic or even yung mga araw-araw kunwari from Davao you have work maybe or you have some business maybe in Digos or Tagum, yung mga malalapit pa na cities or even malaki din ang Davao so if you really kung ano-anong mga pwede mong mabangga kumbaga hindi not bangga naman pero masagi or makaano ng car, right?
Kahit yung sir, yung alikabok, kakos yan ng mga minor scratches. Hindi lang siya mabantayan pero pag kung tignan mo yung car na walang PPF, walang
Mm.
ceramic coating, kung tignan mo siya ng detailing light,
Mm.
makita mo yung parang mga hair, yan yung cause ng mga ng alikabok or kaya ng car wash na hindi na proper. Mag-cause yan siya ng maliliit na minor scratches. So kung naka-ceramic ka or naka-PPF ka, walang ganyan.
Actually, first of all, I'm amazed that you know a lot about cars. You're a student right now, so I'm guessing
Yes.
this is like, I'm guessing lang, this is like also a family business or something. Kasi how did you have good background na on cars, on car care, even while you're still a student?
Actually, sir, hindi ako mahilig sa car.
Mm-mm.
Yung partner ko, si Koji, nag-start itong business 2023. Parang idea lang, sir, na gusto ko magka-car wash, sabi ng partner ko. Gusto ko magka-car wash, tapos nag-start siya na mag-learn ng buffing. Kasi naka-work siya before ng car washan. So, parang may idea siya na, tapos mahilig din siya sa car. So, nag-start siya na ng buffing, tapos nagka-idea siya na, gusto ko mag-training sa Manila talaga. Para proper talaga yung learnings ko. Kasi mahirap mag-fail sa isang sasakyan.
Okay.
Baka mag-clear code failure yun, di ba? So, siya na, mag-training talaga siya ng Manila. So, nagpunta siya Manila for a month. Doon siya nag-training. And then, pagbalik niya dito,
So parang na-realize niya na merong technology, merong certain material technology, which is the PPF, na parang hindi pa na-adapt fully dito sa Davao and maybe can be a good business opportunity.
Oo.
That's interesting.
2 years ago, sir, hindi pa sikat yung PPF. Ceramic coating pa ang pinaka-peak nun. So, nag-start siya ceramic coating talaga, and then proper na pag-alaga ng car. Nag-train siya for like 3 days yata na dire-diretso.
Saan siya nag-train?
Chemical, guys. I don't know if familiar.
Okay. So parang parang may company siya dun na napuntahan na.
Yes po. Madami kasi yan sa Manila.
Okay.
Madaming mga detailing, mga ganyan.
Okay.
Detailing, something na mga
Okay.
academy. Detailing academy.
Okay. Ngayon ko nalaman yun,
Oo.
Pero actually, yes, this is a big, this is a big, not just an industry, but a big skill, kumbaga, a big expertise, kumbaga, So, I think, malaki nga talaga ang, kumbaga, yung business and yung community nito in the whole country din. But siguro, before we go further into the story, maybe, baka yung mga nakikinig, interesado magpa-PPF or something. So, paano nga ba nag-work ang inyong service? So, how do you offer this to potential clients? And do you have a shop here in Davao?
Yes.
Can you share?
So, guys, may shop kami sa NHA Bangkal, Kalatungan Street. So, for those na gusto mag-avail ng mga services namin, you can message us our FB page, Hypercoat Industries po.
So, paano siya? Gaano ba katagal yung lalagay nung PPF? Parang ano ba yung, for example, I want to have my car serviced. I want to have my car applied with that. So, paano siya mangyayari?
So, depending sa kalaki ng car, sir, mostly is 4 to 5 days or 1 week at most.
Matagal siya.
PPF. Kasi, sir, pa siya decontaminate, i-prep pa siya, and then detailing if need. Pero kung bago yung car mo, sir, detailing pa rin, pero hindi na. Yung iba, ginalagyan nila ng ceramic coating. Pero ngayon sa amin kasi, sir, is maganda na yung film ngayon eh. Before kasi parang hindi pa masyado. Pero ngayon is maganda na yung mga film. So, hindi na siya necessary for ceramic coating. Tsaka, yung film kasi is hydrophobic na siya ngayon. So, parang ma-useless yung, depende na lang din po sa customer kung gusto nila talaga. Pero, ngayon sa amin is, kahit okay na yung film eh. So, maganda na yung outcome.
How about yung pricing nito, if you may?
So, pricing, sir, ngayon is, start price namin sa mga PPF is 50 plus. Starting pa lang yun. For ceramic naman, sir, 15 up.
So, laki din pala ang difference sa price, no? So, but it really depends. I mean, and if you have the expendable income naman, or if you have the kumbaga budget naman it's really, I think it's really a good investment then to protect and to care for the car. So aside from those, no, ano ba bang do you provide other services in yung shop? I'm just kasi you have a shop really, no?
Yes.
So do you have other car care services?
May car wash din po sa
Okay.
tabi.
Oh, okay.
So ang shop is may car wash and then yung detailing and then ongoing po yung lounge na with coffee shop.
Oh, wow.
Oo. So parang kung nandun ka, comfy ka na,
Mm-mm.
'di ba?
Another question pala about the car wash and the detailing. So may I'm not that familiar kasi with cars and with car care. Pero parang somehow ba if you do like this protective or this detailing or this car care, somehow ba do you need less time to maintain or to do car wash, or hindi siya ganun? Di ba siya ganun?
Sa ceramic coating namin, sir, madaming nag-a-ask for warranty. Pero we don't give warranty kasi hindi namin ma-assure, sir, na sa amin yung aftercare, 'di ba? So kung magbigay kami ng warranty tapos magpa-car wash siya sa iba, tapos hindi din namin alam anong nangyari. Tapos hindi kung sa amin mag-guarantee talaga namin na 5 years mag-last yung ceramic coating with booster na yun and well-maintained na sa amin. Pero kung mahirap din kasi, sir, kasi hindi mo masabi, 'di ba? Hindi namin malaman kung paano nag-aftercare sila. So ganun
Aftercare.
siya, oo.
So ano pala I mean, some of this also relationship So parang I mean in a business perspective, ang kinaganda rin nito somehow is when kumbaga it will be better for them to have aftercare sa inyo, right?
Yes.
Para din yun nga, alam nyo kung ano yung nangyayari dun sa car. So it's like also when they are a client who availed PPF, it will be a long-term relationship then with Hypercoat.
Yes.
Yun yung name ng shop din?
Opo.
Hypercoat din.
Hypercoat.
Oh. And then I'm curious about that that coffee shop, no? About
Yes.
why did you decide to do that?
For the sir, customer for the car wash. Kasi
Habang naghihintay ng
nagwe-wait
car wash.
Oo.
Gano'n nga ba katagal usually yung car wash?
30 to 1 hour.
30 minutes to 1 hour.
30 minutes
And
to 1
minsan
hour.
yan pipila pa no? Kasi kunyari, busy pa yung mga nagka-car wash, So,
tapos yung problem din namin ngayon is kulang pa din kami sa manpower. Since bago lang talaga siya nag-open, sir.
Yung mismong shop ay noong 2023,
yes.
So, well, more than 1 year na rin. Or magto 2 years na.
2 years ago kasi, sir, wala pa kaming shop. Nagka-shop kami 2023, parang August yata, sir.
Okay.
Nagka-detailing kami. Nagka-detailing lang. Detailing room lang. Walang car wash.
Okay.
Oo, tapos nag-transfer kami dito. Bago lang siya, sir. Almost 1 month pa kami in operation.
Gets. Okay. So really, ang nauna talaga is yung detailing
talaga.
talaga.
No, sir. Oo. Tapos i-adapt na namin ngayon kasi medyo malaki na din kasi yung area. Tapos parang may pang everyday din na kita. Car wash. Nilagyan na namin ng car wash.
I have many more questions pa with regard to you din kasi you're a student right now and you're also doing this as a part-time business
Yes.
Pero bago yun, may isa akong naisip lang kasi about the concept of detailing and PPF nga. Alam mo yung sa mga cellphone, 'di ba, may parang tempered glass. Parang similar ba yung parang analogous ba siya na for cellphones, for protection ng screen, you have the tempered glass, 'di ba, para may iwas sa scratches or sa basag ganyan. Ganun din ba ang concept nito sa car?
Yes. Actually, ganun talaga pagka-explain namin. Ganun siya gina-explain namin pag may mag-ask, what is PPF? Kasi parang bago siya
tempered glass ng sasakyan.
Yes. Parang siyang tempered glass ng sasakyan talaga ang explanation.
Okay. At saka ang nito kasi ngayon pag bibili ka ng cellphone parang almost 100% you will have to get tempered glass no? So baka ganoon na rin ang parang mangyari dito na pwede siguro mag-abang kayo ng mga bagong bili na kotse or something like that or parang partner up maybe with car sellers, car agents, and then diretso sa inyo for detailing, for PPF. What do you think about that?
Nagbibigay kami ng sir, less if bago yung unit. Oo. Kasi less siya parang less na parang ganun. Oo. Especially pag ceramic coating. Kasi kailangan mo siya i-buff out. Kailangan mo siya buffing, 'di ba? Exterior detail yung tawag. So kung bago siya, hindi bugbog yung mga paint. So nagbibigay kami ng discount for new release na mga sasakyan.
Oh, I see.
Oo. And then yung question mo, sir, may customer din kami na ganyan, sir, na 5 years na yung car niya. Tapos nagpunta siya sa shop last week. Nag-ask siya kung anong service ang pwede sa kanya. And then, sabi ko, mag-invest ka for PPF. Pero if you're planning to have a new car, mag-ceramic coating ka na lang muna. Kasi sayang din yung i-pay mo ng ganun kalaki. Then, hindi mo naman pala, if plan mo pala ibenta, di ba?
But pwede ba i-upgrade?
Mm,
Or hindi ko ceramic coating and then later on PPF?
po, sir. Pwede. Opo, opo.
Okay.
Pwede naman. Depende
Okay.
na lang din po talaga sa
Okay. So sa ngayon, how do you market this to ano? Kasi I'm imagining magandang I'm like in a startup B2B perspective or parang ano, what startups usually do kasi is ano, kasi mahirap sa startup, mahirap kumonek agad sa customers eh. So it's also good like connect with the business or the supplier. So for example nga dito, somehow connect kayo sa mga car sellers or car agents or ano para automatic pwede nga may referral fee din sila sa inyo or something like that. Pero para automatic, lahat ng mabibenta nilang cars, if they want detailing, if they want PPF, diretso sa inyo. What do you think about that? Or sa ngayon ba, ganun ang marketing ninyo sa diretso sa customers?
Direct kami sa customers ngayon, sir. Pero last year siguro, parang si isang big company ng car is looking for detailer.
May ganun. I mean,
That time. Tapos, sayang kasi naunahan kami. Nakakuha siya ng yung
sayang.
na mag-detail na ibang din.
Okay.
Friendly competitor din namin.
Okay.
Sayang masyado kasi ang laki niya talaga na brand company ng mga automotive. Kaya yun siguro, magiging sana yun sa amin eh. Parang big, talaga yun, step sa amin. Kaso, baka pa hindi talaga din para
Maybe
sa amin.
another opportunity will come.
Yes.
When one door closes, another
Yes.
door opens. Wow.
Is payroll processing taking too much of your time? Introducing Sprout Payroll Starter. For as low as 5,000 pesos per month, you get a team of experts to help you with your payroll and HR needs. We'll help compute and process payroll, handle all your government compliance requirements, and automate timekeeping. Leave the payroll to us so you can focus on growing your business. Enjoy peace of mind with Sprout Payroll Starter. Trust the digital future with Twala. Secure and tamper-proof digital signature. Electronic notarization service. And custom AI agents for intelligent document workflows. Visit twala.io to learn more. In today's digital world, your organization needs more than just technology. It needs a strategic partner. At Symph, we build web and mobile apps that drive innovation for startups, enterprises, and organizations worldwide. Visit symph.co today.
Protect your assets from bugs before bad hackers exploit them. And launch your products seamlessly with Sukuna, your trusted partner in cybersecurity. Receive reports in real time and work with security experts to find bugs in your products before others do. Let's make your security our priority.
Running a business? Make it smarter with Red Circle Global. Streamline operations, boost productivity, and manage everything in one powerful ERP system. Book your free business demo today at redcircleglobal.com. Guided by one of our top experts.
Sige, puntahan naman natin ngayon yung story pa. Kanina nakwento mo na sama ko yung story ng iyong partner kung paano nadala dito si PPF or paano nyo naisip na mayroon pa dito market na pwedeng matap or ma-capture. Pero ikaw mismo, ba't ka naman pumayag sumama sa negosyo? Ba't ka naman pumayag sumama sa business and to actually operate, to actually do it even though you're currently a student? And can we know your background as a student then?
Si partner ko is classmate ko lang din.
Okay.
Sa entrepreneurship.
Okay.
So,
sa school?
Davao Doc po.
Davao Doctors College. Parang nadaanan ko yun. Dito
lang sa Malvar. Yes.
Okay.
Diyan lang. Then, pag sabi niya sa akin, tapos parang ako at first, kasi hindi talaga sikat yung ceramic coating dito, sir, tsaka detailing. Kasi sanay ang mga tao dito na car wash lang, buffing, wax, ganun talaga, sanay talaga. So, pag sabi niya sa akin na mag-training siya Manila. Tapos bigla ako, training talaga sa Manila? Talaga? Ganun talaga ang level? Tapos mahal din kasi mahal yung training sa Manila.
So nagbayad for the training?
Yes, nagbayad siya, sir.
Okay,
Tapos
okay.
after na may certificate din. At first ako din talaga, wala akong parang interest. Kasi sasakyan, kailangan mo mag-training. Ganun yung isip ko. Tapos dahan-dahan, sir, nakita ko din yung potential.
Okay.
Kasi nga parang wala pa masyadong grabing company mga dito sa Davao. Kasi sa Manila may, I don't know if you, sir, Second Skin Industries.
I'm not that familiar sa car industries
Okay,
eh. So,
yan yung nilolook forward talaga ng partner ko na company kasi grabe, ang ganda talaga. Warehouse na yung shop nila. Puro sports car na yung mga So, yan yung gusto i-bring up dito ng partner ko. Tapos, may mentor din kami dito, sir, na si Detail It. Magaling din yan siya na detailer. Siya yung para sa akin ha, para own opinion lang ha, siya yung pinakamagaling na mag-detail. Siya yung sikat dito talaga na detailer when it comes to car care. Tapos yun, parang din ako na, okay. Tapos as a supportive partner, sige, go. Go tayo ng go.
Okay.
So, kung para kasi yung iba babae ako, tapos ganyan, tapos parang ganyan yung business. Sa amin kasi dalawa, sir, siya sa operational. Ako yung more on sa financial, pag-asikaso na ganito, ganyan, ganyan. So, ganun yung hatian namin.
That's good I mean, that's also good, yeah.
Oo, ganun yung namin. Tsaka siya, sir, parang maliit pa lang talaga siya. Gusto niya talaga car.
Yeah, that's actually my question eh. Siya ba, si partner, and even ikaw, are you really car enthusiast nga?
Ngayon lang.
Ikaw ngayon lang.
Oo,
pero siya, dati pa.
Oo, dati pa.
Okay,
Dati
that's
pa
good.
talaga. Oo.
So, I think that's tama nga na napunta siya dito sa car care, Bakit wala siya ngayon? Bakit ikaw ang...
Siya nandun.
Siya yung nag-operate ngayon sa shop.
Siya nagbantay.
So, ikaw rin yung parang sa mga marketing, mga externals, mga PR.
Magaling siya sa PR, sir.
Okay.
Oo,
okay.
kung PR, siya ang PR talaga.
Anong name niya? Sorry?
Christian.
Sige,
Or
shoutout
Koji.
natin. Anong, sorry?
Koji na lang.
Christian,
Yan yung
Koji.
nickname niya.
Yan, sige. So, shoutout kay Koji. Sana ma-meet din kita soon and I mean, good luck ngayon dyan sa shop. Sige, go ahead.
Dapat kasi, sir, nandito din talaga siya. Kasi sabi ko, mas magaling ka sa salita. Dapat ikaw nandun. Ano lang ako. Kaso walang magtingin doon sa shop.
True.
Tapos may inaasikaso. May din kasi doon for PPF na LC. So, kailangan na doon talaga siya kasi hands-on yan siya masyado.
By the way, naisip ko lang sa detailing, parang nga talaga siyang it's technical, but somehow it's also, kumbaga, I mean, it's very technical actually.
Yes.
Kailangan talaga siya ng conscientious, kumbaga ng craft, kumbaga So, actually, that's my question. Kumbaga, when you compare it to, for example, mga interior design or mga, kunwari, yung pag-design, yung paggawa ng architecture, ganyan. Di ba ganung skill lang kailangan dito sa detailing, tama ba?
Yes, kailangan din talaga siya ng skill. Tsaka yung pagka-OZ,
yes.
kailangan meron ka nun. Kasi if you're not patient, I don't think kasi siya parang...
Rigor din siya rigor, conscientiousness sa kumbaga sa details din talaga. Detailing nga, diba?
Yes.
Details, attention to detail din talaga.
Oo, bagay yun sa kanya. Kasi grabe yan siya ka-OZ.
Okay.
Bagay din talaga yan sa kanya.
Both of you are still students students now,
Ano din to, sir, serve as business implementation din namin to.
Dun sa course ninyo.
Yes. But Davao Doc is specialized in medical. So, ang ginawa namin is mag-offer din kami ng disinfection and sanitation services.
Pwede. Oo nga.
So, para maisa na lang din, di ba? Sa business permit, tsaka para hindi siya mawala. Kasi, yun na talaga yung business eh.
Pero actually, yeah, that's the question. Why did you, or siya, parang, for me, it's hard to imagine you're a student and you're doing academic stuff, you're busy, then naman, di ba? So, how do you find the time to do the business?
Mahirap. Mahirap i-balance. Mahirap i-balance. Tsaka, may times nga na parang nagigilty na ako kasi mas madami pa akong time
sa business.
Nakaka-guilty din. Buti nga is parang maintindihan naman yung ibang teacher pero yun lang, kailangan mo mag-comply. Maintindihan din sila kasi alam din nila na for business, ito talaga yung course namin eh.
Yes, actually,
Para din talaga to sa future, ganon.
actually, I think they should understand kasi yung tinuturo nila ay eventually para din naman dito. So,
Yes.
'di ba matuwa pa nga sila kasi ina-apply nyo na yung mga natututunan nyo dun eh. Are you graduating or third year right
Incoming
now?
fourth year.
Incoming fourth
This
year. Ay,
August.
summer nga pala ngayon.
Apo,
So,
summer ngayon.
so sa fourth year ninyo, I guess dito yung parang implementation stage talaga So, ito na nga rin yung business ninyo. And that's good. At least pagka-graduate ninyo,
Meron
okay na. May
Mm-mm.
kumikita na kayo.
Oo, meron na. Diba?
Ayun. And by the way, andito tayo ngayon sa Adventures Innovation Center sa Ateneo de Davao University. Napakaganda ng office, ang linis, ang ganda ng details actually ng mga patterns dito. And of course, with the color of Ateneo, color blue Pero ang question is, Adi, paano ka napunta dito? Why did you want to be incubated here kay Adventures? Or parang, I mean, siguro parang lang din. I mean, ano ba yung benefits or ano ba yung perks na ina-expect nyo as going into being incubated here?
I think it's a good platform din, sir. Para sa amin. Parang siya parang guide siya na so lahat ng mo is mga parehas.
Mag-guide yung business.
Mag-guide din kami. Tsaka parang ma-put into good path kami. Ganun.
So at least I think hindi naman role ng incubators or ng innovation centers. At least mag-guide, may mentorship, may
Yes.
networks.
Yes.
I think you already have like the technical side Pero like yung business side so mas ma-hone pa yun, mas ma-enhance pa yun. And mas magiging masagana ang
Correct.
negosyo.
Introducing Aim High. Smarter construction management starts here. Monitor costs and progress with real-time insights. Plan ahead and adapt with streamlined scheduling tools. Make data-driven decisions to avoid costly delays. Increase efficiency and profit with Aim High.
But moving forward, siguro let's talk about the future plans ni Hypercode. So as a business, ano ba yung inyong future plans? Do you plan to capture like the whole Davao market? And do you maybe plan to have more shops? More
Hopefully. Hopefully pag ma-settle na namin and maging okay na yung first shop. Parang okay na, parang ready na tayo for another branch. Hopefully makalagay kami here sa downtown. Kung kaya na namin yung market. And then for future talaga long term, sana makalabas kami sa Davao,
saan?
Tagum,
Okay.
Digos.
Okay.
Sana.
Okay.
Hopefully.
I'm thinking pala actually sa pagkakaroon ng parang second branch or third branch. Maybe I'll just ask your thoughts kasi for sure you know a lot more sa car wash industry, sa car care industry. Parang anong difference but di na lang mas malaking shop? Anong difference na meron kayong dalawang shop or dalawang branch na like kunwari yung size niya, pag in-add nyo, isang malaking shop. Do you get my question? Parang isang malaking shop tsaka dalawang mas maliit na branch. Ano yung parang on a business perspective, ano yung better or ano yung advantage nung dalawang branch? What do
Sa
you
isang
think?
malaking branch.
Kaysa sa isang malaking branch, oo.
Yun yung gusto talaga ng partner ko. Yung malaki talaga na branch. Na nandun na
okay.
lahat. One-stop shop na. Diba?
Okay.
Kasi para convenient talaga sa lahat ng mga customer namin. Pero okay din naman kasi yung madami kang branch. Sir, no? Parang
siguro yung branches parang for the for the reach and for the marketing din yun somehow kasi mas mas visible Pero I think with the vision nga ni Koji ng iyong partner ay parang malaking shop kasi Sabi mo nga kanina ano, yung mga parang maraming sports car na ganyan, tsaka parang ano na siya,
Nandun na
magiging mas
lahat.
kampante yung mga car owners na iiwan yung
Nandun
kotse
na.
nila dun.
Opo.
Even if those are like expensive or luxury cars kasi parang ganun na yung pagte-take care dun sa shop talaga. And it's a big prestigious or a big shop talaga. Tama ba yun?
Opo.
But on the on the business, like on the business journey, ano yung ina-expect nyo na ano yung parang focus nyo now? Really getting more market, really getting your name out there para kayo maging go-to, kumbaga, ng mga cars here. Tama ba yun?
Opo, ganun talaga yung vision. Sana.
And ayun, siguro last question na lang, maybe in around you said kanina nga na you'll move out from Davao maybe, but do you plan to even go beyond Davao region or maybe beyond Mindanao or something like that? Or maybe pag mas nag-evolve pa yung kumbaga mga car technologies na meron kayo, 'di ba? So do you also plan to do that?
Siguro, sir. Mas maganda siguro if maglabas talaga para not just sa Mindanao, maging international siya. Di ba?
Oh.
Sana, no? Hopefully,
International.
sir. International talaga siya na, marinig mo siya na shop, di ba? Sana. Hopefully.
So baka magkaroon kayo ng branch sa ibang bansa,
No.
Or kasi you mentioned kanina, 'di ba, na somehow galing sa Manila yung inaral nga ni Koji, no? Koji.
So,
Do you even plan to have a shop in Manila or baka saturated na yung market doon?
grabe na dun, sir.
Grabe na doon. Okay.
Mga ka-batch ni Koji, training, is grabe na din kalaki ng shop niya. Si Unicos, idol din talaga din namin yan siya na shop. I don't think maka-dominate ka pa doon. Grabe na nila sa Cadskin, Unicos. Grabe na market doon. So parang mahirapan. Pwede siguro, pero mahirap na kunin ang market.
Naisip ko lang na pwede nyo palang gawin for marketing din. Kasi may mga parang minsan may mga toy owners, collectors na nagva-vlog din. Naisip na bang gawin yun na meron din kayo parang vlog or parang TikTok maybe na parang, tsaka talaga, brand nyo talaga na influencer somehow. Parang may content din, Naisip niyo ba yun?
Nag-try kami, but for ads lang. Walang salita. Parang montage lang ng car. Yan din yung gagawin namin sa LC ngayon na PNP-PF. Pa-video talaga namin for marketing. Pero gusto ko din yan gawin, sir, na parang siya mag-vlog, na may ganito kami ngayon dito, guys. Kasi maganda din yung market sa Facebook. Saka bumabayad si Meta for
Pwede rin,
diba? So parang extra income din yun.
Yes, Baka
kina-consider namin yun.
Kasi may mga ganun mga car vloggers din or hindi pala vloggers tawag doon. Parang car, content creators.
Creator.
So, I'm not sure sa car detailing, sa car care, kung meron ng mga ganun. Pero, like for the shop, pwede siya. Of course, with the consent ng mga clients ninyo, syempre.
Oo.
Pero I think
Consent
pwede
din
siya
talaga.
mangyari.
Pwede din, sir. Thank you. Sayang.
And I'm guessing, since you took entrepreneurship, by the way, sige, may I ask, why did you take pala entrepreneurship?
Ayoko talaga mag-employ.
Yeah, that's the question. So, really, you really want to have a business talaga?
Yes.
Simula dati pa?
Oo, dati pa. Parang hindi ko talaga ma-imagine yung self ko na everyday, ano yan?
8 to 5.
Kasi may taong ganyan, sir.
Yes.
Diba?
It depends. It really depends on the person.
Really depends, Jude. Na may ganyang tao na comfortable na sila doing that. Ako, sir, parang hindi ko din talaga.
How did you realize that?
Nung taking na ako, kinoconsider ko nung course ko, parang ayoko talaga mag-work. Kasi gusto nila nursing.
Okay.
Gusto nila mag-nursing ako. Parang hindi ko kaya. Imagine ko ba everyday. Kaya ba to?
Okay.
So, ganun din yung partner ko. Ayaw niya din talaga kasi business-minded din talaga siya.
Okay. Although, ano oras ang shop? Ano oras yung operating hours?
Open na kami 7 a.m.
7 a.m. until
7 p.m. Pero
7 p.m.
If may magpasok ng 7 p.m., pwede naman din.
Okay. Hindi na kayo 8 to 5 office hours. 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. na kayo as a business owner. Hindi, pero siguro ang difference nito is hawak nyo yung oras nyo, hawak nyo yung wala kayo rin nire-reportan, ganyan, 'di ba? So medyo ano sa pressure ano. But ayun, thank you so much Adi sa ating
Thank
kwentuhan
you.
about Hypercoat Industries. If our listeners want to know more about Hypercoat, maybe they want to go to the shop or maybe they want to get PPF detailing, how can they contact you? Maybe you can lead them to may Facebook page na ba kayo?
Yes,
And
may
yeah,
Facebook page po kami, Hypercoat Industries.
ayun.
Message
So,
lang po kayo.
follow them and baka magkaroon sila ng content about car care, car detailing. So, feel free to follow and contact them through
Thank
there.
you.
Ayun,
Thank you,
and
sir.
ayun, maraming salamat, Adi. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much to our 60 patrons. This episode is super powered by AskLex PH Academy, our official e-learning partner with certifications on Lean Six Sigma, product management, data science, and more. Pixel by ePlayment. Turn content into opportunities and funds into real community with Pixel by ePlayment. Sign up now at pixel.eplayment.co. School of Profits, Filipino-led community for aspiring freelancers, VAs, agency builders, and online earners. Built to help you start, grow, and earn online together. Founders Launchpad, our ecosystem partner. Early stage accelerator providing venture capital funding, operational support, and mentorship. Hire BC Solutions, provider of the most configurable cloud-based payroll system in the Philippines. Agile Data Solutions, the Philippines' fastest-growing market insights tech company with data gathering platform Hustle PH. Smile Checks, streamline hiring and onboarding with automated background checks. Cloud CFO, cloud accounting service provider for businesses ready to grow. Cloverly Tech, all-in-one digital platform for property developers. Paddy Beaties, accessible and personalized diabetes self-management application. HKB Digital Services, tech-based business tools including payroll, ticketing, and loyalty rewards. Hyperstocks, digital banking enabler for rural and thrift banks. One CFO, CFO services, bookkeeping and tax and payroll processing for startups and small businesses. Unawa, driving digital transformation with secure, legally enforceable electronic signatures and robust AML compliance. School Tech, all-in-one AI integrated school and learning management system. Better Support, a Manila-based BPO company. They have a referral program for people who can bring in new clients. You might know a Western-based business that needs better support. Britanna, enterprise-grade ERP solution that fits a small and medium business budget. Wonder Brand, data science-driven brand strategy and design for emerging markets. East Point Business Outsourcing Services, one-stop shop for streamlined business solutions for MSMEs such as business registration, bookkeeping, and more. Doon, Philippines' first fully insured peer-to-peer car-sharing marketplace. Divico Technologies Incorporated, IT solutions specializing in software development, blockchain smart contracts, digital wallets, and cybersecurity. Looking for buy and sell online with Sigurado sellers. NutriCoach, personalized nutrition and weight loss programs for you. This episode is powered by Lablog, Sugbodok, JIA Engineering Solutions, Algacon Aquafeeds 1LJ, Grey Wolf Technologies Philippines, Pareto Consulting, Jure.ph, Big Giant Games, Pahatid PH, Wistless PH, Tech Tribe, Yay, Uplift Code Camp, Board Prep, Dohey Philippines, Edfolio, Hive Rooms, Kazam, CodeSham, Sirius MD. Support the podcast through the links in the description.